Hey guys, Catherine here. I am doing another art journal page today, and I realized through all of these that I'd done so far, I hadn't done any glue downs yet, or glue ups yet, as you might like to call it. So I have cut out a bit of piece of paper for the background, and I'm going to start by gluing it on. Actually, that might be a little wide. Nope, never mind. It's fine. We will work with it. It's fine. So I'm just going to take my glue and stick a bunch of it on. And I have decided this page is going to have a learning theme to it. Partly because I have the stuff to do a page for a learning theme, partly because I love learning. I love books and art and science and finding out new things and sharing those things with other people. So this page I want to do with the theme of learning. I've already said that, but I'm repeating myself because it bears repeating. All right. So I've spread glue all over the back, and I'm going to kind of center it up and down and try and line it up at the sides so that it's evenish there. And actually, I'm going to pull that out of the way because it's not letting it lie even to the back. Okay, and then just smooth it down to the corners to make sure that I get it stuck on really well, because I put in plenty enough glue on there. I just have to smooth it out to the sides to make sure that everything stays well down. I might even want to put a little bit more under that corner and that corner. They look like they're lifting a little bit. So just put a little dab more on the corner and on the other one, because I want things to stay where I put them. People, paper, animals, whatever, stay where I put you. Okay, there we go, and then just rub off the extra glue so that it doesn't look dirty, hopefully, maybe. Yep, close enough. Good enough. There we go. And then start arranging my learning themed things. The first thing that I've got is the periodic table of elements. And it's pretty awesome. It informs us pretty much how everything in the world works. So I'm going to put that right at the top and center. There we go. Just pop some glue onto the back of it. All the way up to the corners. There we go. Make sure everything stays down where I put it. When I stick it down, I want it to stay, and then kind of try to center it. Go. The reason why I chose this background was because it is ruled. However, I don't think if I put everything on here that I've got set aside, you're going to be able to see much of that ruled background at all. So I might end up not including everything that I've got, which is all right. It's better to have too much than too little. The next thing that I've got is a card that has the ABC of animals on it. It's meant to be a book cover, which is kind of awesome to me. So maybe it'll go there-ish. But the other things that I've got are these who, what, and where cards, and I kind of want to space them out evenly as well. So let's plan this out. Yeah, like that. Or maybe the book on top. I don't know. I'm deciding. Yeah, I think the book would be better on top. So I think I will start with the where, because I can square it to the bottom edge, and then work my way up with the what and the who. Go. Because I'm using these cards because who, what, and where are some of the primary questions in learning. If you don't figure out how to ask questions, and not just any questions, but the right questions, you're not going to be able to figure out the world around you. So asking questions, and these words are questions even if they don't have a question mark after them, although I might draw a question mark after them. That could be interesting. These words are questions even if they don't have a question mark on the card after them. These words are meant to be questions. And 90% of learning is questioning things. There we go. All right, that's the who. This is the what. The what. Or no, that's the where. This is the what. And this is the who. Raise your hand if you got that joke. I'm betting most of you did. It wasn't very subtle. Go. Go. Plenty of glue. And the who. There we are. All stuck down and lined up as best as I'm able to eyeball it, because I just eyeball things. It's what I do. And ooh, actually, yeah, I want to shift the ABC book down. I don't want it over the periodic table. That, because who is over the periodic table, so the ABC book is over who. Aha! It gives depth, sort of. I don't know. I like it. I like it. And that's the most important thing. There we go. Glue all over the place. Line it up with that edge. And then bring it down over here. Just maybe up a little bit. Just a little tiny bit. Just that it's not quite so much covering that W for the where, because I do want it to be able to be read. Although I'm sure you could figure it out from context. Go. Make sure it's all even and flat and stuck down really well. And then I did have this clock, and I was going to use these hands for the dials because I thought that was funny and cute, and learning time and stuff is something that you do in school, but this is not going to fit on here, at least not on this page. So I'll set it aside for another time. And then maybe I can still use these pointy hands. What do you think? Helium, or like the who and the where? I don't think I will. I don't think I'll use them. I think this is everything that I'm going to glue down. So I do want to add question marks to these who, what, and where, and I have gotten a new fountain pen. So I'm just going to take and question and same thing, or as near to it as possible. And the third one. There we go. Who, what, where. Doesn't need anything else. I kind of like it as it is. And the pen kind of sank into those cards because they're pretty damp from the glue still. It's not entirely dry. Yeah, no, I like it as it is. I think this is done. If you guys like this too, definitely let me know. This was super fun for me. I enjoyed it a lot. So if you liked it, I would be happy to hear about it. You can go ahead and just like the video. That'll let me know. If you have any suggestions or things you'd like to see me try or things you think I could have done better, absolutely leave a comment below. I'm always happy to hear from you. And remember to subscribe because it will then make you able to get notifications of when I put up new videos. And if you liked this, you might like the other things that I do too. So I would be happy to share that with you as well. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!